If the cross slide becomes very difficult to turn, it may become necessary to adjust the assembly. To relieve the tension on the assembly, follow the following procedure. Step 1. Using a hydraulic jack, raise the traversing carriage base just enough to alleviate the weight stress on the cross slide assembly. Step 2. Knock the pins on either side of the mounting frame adjuster and loosen the 4 bolts that connect the carriage mounting frame to the frame of the grinder. Step 3. Jack the traversing carriage up to put a preload on the cross slide assembly. Step 4. Tighten the 4 bolts on the carriage mounting frame to 75 foot-pounds. Step 5. Release the jack pressure and test the vertical and horizontal hand wheels for ease of movement through their full range of motion. Step 6. If the cross slides tend to bind, repeat above steps, jacking higher or lower from step 1 until the hand wheels move freely. Step 7. When the cross slides move freely through their full range of motion, drill new holes and re-pin the assembly.